Hello everyone. Welcome back to Big Progress channel.
Yes, big progress. Hello, hello.
This is the place where small words make big progress.
Very big, super big.
Today, we are happy. We have coffee, we have microphones.
And we have a big topic.
Yes. But first, if you like this podcast,
Please click like
yes, and subscribe to Book Progress channel.
and leave a comment. We love comments.
Yes, one click, one comment, one big smile from us.
Click, click, click like a small mouse.
Yes. Okay, now are you ready?
I am ready, teacher.
Great. Today the topic is a strong sentence.
Strong like a superhero?
Yes, very strong. Listen. Don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done.
Wow. Yes. That sounds strong.
Say it with me. Don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done.
I feel strong now.
But, Lamb, what is tired?
Tired is... My brain says no more.
Good.
My eyes are sleepy. My body is slow.
Yes, you want the sofa. You want a pillow.
I love my pillow. My pillow is my best friend.
Yes, that is tired. Now, what is done?
Done is finished. 100%.
Yes.
My homework is done. My job is finished.
So the sentence means don't stop because you feel sleepy. Stop when the work is finished.
Oh, yes. That is different.
Very different and very powerful for learning English. Let's think about English.
Yes, my brain is ready. My coffee is strong.
English is not one day. You cannot study one day and finish.
No. I tried. It did not work.
Yes, English is a big journey.
A long road.
So, imagine you read an English book.
Yes. Page 1. Okay.
Page 2, still okay.
Page 3. Oh no.
Your eyes are sleepy.
My brain is crying.
Yes, you want to stop.
I want to close the book and watch TV.
But is your lesson done?
No.
So, if you stop now, how do you feel later?
Later I feel sad.
Why sad?
Because I did not finish. No progress.
Yes, tired and sad. That is bad.
Very bad.
But if you finish the lesson, even if tired, you feel?
Tired and happy.
Yes, that is the goal.
I want tired and happy.
So we need small goals.
Small goals?
Yes, not read 100 pages.
No, thank you.
Just read 2 pages or study 10 minutes.
10 minutes. I can do 10 minutes.
Yes, the lesson is small. You finish, you feel happy.
I feel proud.
Proud is a great feeling. Okay, Lamb, let's role play.
Oh no. I feel fear.
No fear. Easy role play. You are studying English. You feel tired. I am your brain.
Oh, okay.
Lamb, sofa, sofa,
Sofa. Yes, nice sofa.
TV, fun, English, hard.
TV easy. English hard.
Stop.
What?
What is your goal?
10 minutes.
Are you done?
No.
Then no sofa.
Yes, teacher brain.
Continue.
I continue.
Now you are done.
Yes.
Now sofa.
Best sofa ever.
Now, let's think of exercise.
I like exercise.
Really?
I like thinking about exercise.
Not doing exercise?
Maybe sometimes.
Okay. You want to walk 30 minutes.
Good goal.
You start. 5 minutes, easy.
Yes, I feel strong.
10 minutes, still okay.
Yes, I walk, I smile.
15 minutes.
Uh-oh, I am tired.
You see a chair.
The chair says, "Hello, lamb."
Sit. Relax.
Forget your goal.
Stop.
Oh no, again.
What is the goal?
30 minutes.
Are you done?
No,
Then keep walking.
but I am tired.
Walk slow, not fast.
Slow walk. Okay,
20 minutes.
I am still alive.
25 minutes.
I want ice cream.
No ice cream.
Okay.
30 minutes.
Done.
How do you feel?
I feel tired.
And?
Happy.
Yes, you finished. You won.
Now can I sit?
Yes. Chair is now a prize.
Yes, I earned my chair.
Chairs are better when you finish your goal.
Yes, it feels like a king chair.
So, Lamb, English study and exercise are the same.
Yes,
You feel tired,
but not done.
so keep going.
Small steps.
Yes, and later you feel happy.
Tired and happy.
That is good progress.
Big progress.
Okay, let's review.
Yes, teacher.
What does tired mean?
Sleepy, slow body, want sofa.
What does done mean?
Finished. 100%.
What is the big sentence today?
Don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done.
Perfect.
When I feel tired, I think, am I done?
If not done, keep going.
Small steps, small goals.
And later?
Tired and happy.
So we talked about English study,
And exercise.
but what about daily life?
Oh no. Maybe cleaning? Kitchen cleaning?
Maybe.
I'm scared.
Yes, many people are scared of the kitchen.
You cook, you eat, you're full, you're happy.
And the kitchen is very dirty.
Oh no.
What do we do?
Huh? I don't know. Maybe tomorrow?
Good. Now, Lamb, let's talk about daily life.
Oh no. What daily life?
Cleaning.
Oh no. I don't want to clean.
You must clean, Lamb,
Why?
because it is real life.
Okay. What do we clean?
The kitchen.
The kitchen.
Yes. Let's make a small story.
Story about cleaning?
Yes, a fun story. Ready? You wake up. You walk to the kitchen.
I see dishes.
Many dirty dishes.
Oh no.
You say, I must clean.
I cry inside.
You wash.
Wash dishes.
You wipe.
Wipe table.
You sweep.
Sweep floor.
You do it.
I finish.
How do you feel?
I feel proud.
Yes, that is motivation.
Wait, what is the English lesson?
Cleaning teaches a life rule.
What rule?
Do small things every day.
Oh, like learning English?
Yes.
So cleaning my kitchen is like training my brain.
Yes.
I understand now.
Good. You see? Small actions, big progress.
That sounds like a channel name.
Yes. Funny coincidence.
Very funny.
Now let's talk psychology.
Big word.
Yes, but easy idea.
Okay, I'm ready.
Question. Why is speaking English hard?
Because my mouth is lazy,
True.
and my brain is slow,
True.
and my heart is afraid.
That is the big reason.
Fear?
Yes, fear stops your progress.
How?
When you feel fear, you think, I cannot.
Yes,
When you think, I cannot,
I stop.
so the real problem is not grammar.
Not vocabulary.
The problem is mindset.
Mindset?
Yes, how you think.
So English is a mind game.
Yes,
Wow. I feel like a ninja student.
good. Ninja student big mindset.
But teacher, how can I beat fear?
3 ways.
Oh, we will learn 3 secrets.
Yes, coming next.
Nice. I like secrets.
And this podcast is full of secrets.
Big secrets, big progress.
Exactly. Secret number 1. Speak, even if you are wrong.
That is scary.
Yes, but powerful.
Why?
Because mistakes are teachers.
So mistakes help me learn?
Yes.
Even if I say, he go?
Yes.
Even if I say, I is?
Yes.
You are a very kind teacher.
Thank you. I am also a patient teacher. Secret number 2. Listen every day.
Every day?
Yes, even 5 minutes.
Only listening?
Listening builds your brain.
So listening is like training my ears,
Exactly.
like gym for ears.
Yes. Ear gym.
I need strong ears.
Yes, strong ears to strong speaking. Secret number 3. Enjoy the process.
The process.
Yes, the journey.
Oh.
Do not wait for perfect English to feel happy.
Feel happy now?
Yes, you are learning now.
So today's English is also good.
Yes, if you speak, you win.
Wow. That is deep.
Learning English is not a test. It is an adventure.
And we are on a podcast adventure.
Yes, my brave English explorers. Lamb, listen.
Yes, teacher.
You are not slow.
I'm not?
No, you are learning.
Oh.
Slow learning is still learning.
Yes.
1 word today is better than 0 words.
True.
1 small sentence is better than no sentence.
True.
1 small podcast episode changes your brain.
My brain is changing now?
Yes, every minute.
Wow. I can feel it.
Good.
I feel like I can speak more now.
Yes, you are doing it.
I am speaking English.
Yes, you are a speaker.
I am a speaker.
Say it louder.
I am an English speaker.
Yes. Now, my dear listeners,
Yes, teacher?
you listened to this podcast.
You learned new words.
You practiced speaking with us.
You are amazing.
So now we need one thing.
A hug?
No,
A cookie?
no.
Oh.
We need your support.
Ah, I know.
Yes, please
Like this podcast
like this podcast.
and subscribe to Big Progress channel.
Yes.
Help us grow.
Help us make more free English podcasts.
And please, comment.
Yes.
Leave a comment. I am an English speaker.
Yes, write it, type it.
1 sentence, easy.
When you comment, you practice English.
And we are very happy.
Yes, we love reading your comments. They give us energy.
So please click like
Click subscribe.
and leave your comment below. I am an English speaker.
Today we learned
English is a daily habit.
cleaning teaches mindset.
Fear stops learning.
3 secrets. Speak, listen, enjoy.
You are already a speaker.
Yes, I am an English speaker.
Yes, you are.
And everyone listening,
You are all English speakers.
thank you for listening.
Thank you for learning.
See you next time on Big Progress Channel.